Now Roman number 4. Roman number 4 is a little bit different, not that much huge different. Here only the equation are given in the form of fraction. So the fraction have been taken in the form of, we have to remove the fraction. That is the main target. After removing the how we are going to solve the fraction and bring to the linear, then only we can solve the value of x and y. So first we have to take it to the linear form. The question is given in the form of fraction, that is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 equal to 3. So we have to take it to the, that is without fraction. So this will first will be the equation is given, Roman number 4, that is x divided by 2 plus 2y divided by 3 equal to 1. No, it's minus 1. So to remove the fraction, take the LCM. LCM of both, 3 2 is 6. Now divide the 6 by 2, it will be 3. 3 into x will be 3x plus 6 divided by 3, it will be 2. 2 into 2, 4y equal to minus 1. Take the 6 that side, so it will be 3x plus 4y equal to minus 1 into 6. So that is 3x plus 4y equal to, that is minus 6. So I don't know, so keep it as equation 1. Another, so I am going to delete here. So we have x minus y divided by 3 is equal to 3. Make it fraction divided by 1. So take the LCM, it will be 3. So 3 divided by 1 it will be 3. So it will be 3x minus 3 divided by 3 will be 1. 1 that is equal to 1 into y will be y equal to 3. Now take the 3 this side, it will be 3x minus y equal to, that is 3 into 3. So 3x minus y equal to 9. That is equation 2. Now see here coefficient of x are same. Here sign is same. So it will be subtract 1 minus 2. So write the 1 first, that is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Now the x is a second equation, 3x minus y is equal to 9. Take change the sign, it will become minus, it will become plus, it will become minus. So now this is cancelled, it will become 5y. Now this became minus 15. So there is 5 3s. So y equal to minus 3. Since we got the value of y, now find the value of x. Y we got. Now for finding the value of x, put in any of the equation. That which equation will be better? I think equation number 1 will be better. So putting the value of y, putting the value of y, the value of y in equation 1, that is x, 3x plus 4y is 4 into minus 3 equal to minus 6. So 3x equal to, that is minus 6 plus and minus will become minus 12. If you go touch it will be plus 12. So 3x equal to, it will give 6. So how much? 3 2s are x equal to 2. So therefore not 2, that's minus 2. Now it's 2 only. Therefore x equal to 2, y equal to, that is minus 3. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. That is the result. That is the value of x and y. So now we have the Roman number. Now this is only direct in the form. This will carry only 2 marks in the exam because it's already given in the form of fraction. Or it may give a little 3 also, because it is here you have to solve the linear, but most of the equation they give only the 2 marks. Whenever it's forming a statement, that time it may be 3 marks. So now Roman number 2. What does Roman number 2 state? That's from the pair of linear equations in the following problem and find their solution if they exist by the elimination method. Here we have to solve by the elimination method. So for solving that, before solving, this is given in the form of what problem. So the what problem have to be taken to the equation form, then only we can solve it. So for taking to the equation form, we know that here is a linear equation in 2 variables. So I need the x, I need the y. Which one will be x and which one will be y? Take the decision properly. So if there is no slight changes also, interchange of the x and y will be, there is no difference, because in the answer you are going to write not the answer. In the answer you are not going to write the x and y, you are going to write whichever you consider as a x and whichever you consider as a y. So this is first question. Read the first question. So in the first question it is mentioned that it's supposed to be solved by the elimination method, but in the exam you can graphical method they will mention it, but elimination and substitution you can choose by yourself which one is convenient to you. My convenience is with the elimination method. I prefer the elimination method. Whenever there is no method is mentioned, I prefer the elimination method. So if some student may get confused with the elimination method due to the sign. So now first question, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator in the numerator. Now what is the numerator and what is the denominator? If there is a fraction, in the fraction we have the upside and we have the downside. The upside there is numerator, so in the upside 1 will be added and in the downside 1 will be subtracted. Then the fraction becomes, then the number became 1. From here there is a 1 equation. Second, it comes to half, 1 by 2. If we add 1 to the denominator, so in the numerator there is no changes, only in the denominator 1 will be added. Then what is the fraction? So what is the fraction? So we have to find a fraction. So before finding the fraction, we have to consider what is the numerator and what is the denominator. So for considering, the first one will be the numerator, the second one will be denominator. So whenever it's a fraction, we have the numerator and we have the denominator. So the numerator will be considered as a x and the denominator will be considered as a y. So this is 3 Roman number 1. 3 Roman number 1. So let the numerator be x. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. That is, the number became x by y. You have to write it down, else you will may be confused. So now here what's in the numerator? 1 is added. So numerator, this is numerator, 1 is added. So in the numerator 1 is subtracted and it becomes 1. So this is fraction, this is not a fraction, make it fraction. So take it divided by 1. Now go for a cross multiplication. It will be 1 into x, this and this, so it will be x plus 1 equal to 1 into y minus 1. If any number multiply by 1, it will remain the as it is. So x plus 1, so this will be y minus 1. Now bring the y this side, take the x this side. So it will be x, bring the y this side, it will become minus. Now minus 1 is there, take the 1 that side, it will become minus 1. So now x minus y is equal to minus 2. That is equation 1. Now read the second statement. This is equation 1. I'm going to find a second equation from here. So that is, now this is the x and y. Now only 1 is added in the denominator, down part, that is the plus 1. Equal to how much it became? It became 1 by 2. It became half. So 1 by 2. Go for a cross multiplication. So it will be 2x equal to 1 into y plus 1. If any number multiply by 1, it will remain the same. So 2x equal to y plus 1. Now bring the y this side. So add 2x minus y equal to 1. See, now which one we are going to deal with? Now y. Coefficient of here also y, here also y. Here is minus 1, here minus 1. So we are going to eliminate the y by subtracting. So it will go into 1 minus 2. Because they are same sign, that's why y there it's be subtraction. So 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. So 1 will be x minus y equal to minus 2. Now 2 will be this one, 2x minus y equal to 1. Since it is a minus, the sign will change. The plus will become minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. So this is eliminated. Now 2 minus 1 is minus x equal to this will become minus 3. Minus and minus cancel. So minus and minus cancel. It became x equal to 3. X equal to 3. We got the value of x. Now to find the value of y. Putting in equation 1 will be better. Putting the value of x in equation 1. Putting the value of x. The value of x in equation 1. That is x minus y. X will be how much? 3 minus y equal to minus 2. So it will be minus y equal to minus 2 minus 3. So that is minus y equal to minus 5. Minus and minus cancel. Therefore x equal to 3. Or therefore that is the number is the fraction third fraction is which one is up, the x will be on the up, y will be on the down. So x is how much? 3, y is how much? 5. So it is 3/5. So now that is Roman number 2. What is the Roman number 2 stated? It's the age related. The making the equation is similar with the previous question, that is from the previous exercise. Here only the method is going to eliminate the use the elimination method. So 5 years ago, Nori was first consider the present age, then find the age of the 5 years ago. 5 years ago the Nori age was 3 times old as Sanu, so it will be Nori age is equal to 3 times of Sanu. From here we will get one equation. Now come to the second equation, 10 years later. So after 10 years, what was the age of Nori and the age of Sanu? Find it out. Then Nori will be the twice of the Sanu. So Nori will be how much? Twice of the Sanu. Find the Nori. Find the how old are Nori and the Sanu. Sanute, what is the age of Nori and the Sanu? We have to find out. So the first one we will consider as a x and the second as a y. That is the Nori will be the x and the Sanu will be the y. So let the present age be. This is Roman number 2. So let the present age of let present age of Nori be. Let the present age of Nori be x and the present age of Shanu be y. Since now after that is 5 years ago. 5 years ago. What is the age of both? Nori age 5 years ago, that is x minus 5. Sanu age, that is y minus 5. Now see the statement that said Nori age is 3 times of Sanu. So what is Nori age? Nori age we have x minus 5 is equal to 3 times of Sanu, that is y minus 5. So it will be x minus 5 equal to 3y minus 3 5 is 15. Bring the 3 this side, x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. So it will be x minus 3y equal to minus 10. One equation we got. Go for the second equation. Now after now it's 10 years later. After 10 years. 10th year later. So it will be, what is Nori age? It will be x plus 10. Sanu age y plus 10. Now check the statement. They said Nori age is 2 times of Sanu age. Nori age is how much? That is x plus 10 is equal to 2 times of Sanu age, that is y plus 10. Here we will get another equation. So the x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. Now bring this that side. X minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. Take the 10 that side. So it will be x minus 2y is equal to 10. Equation 2. Now we got equation 1 to equation 2. Both the equation we got. Now we have to go for the subtraction, because here is x, here also x. So equation 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. So 1 is how much? X minus 3y. 3y equal to minus 10. Another is x minus 2y is equal to 10. Now you change the sign. It will become minus, it will become plus, it will become minus. So this and this is eliminate. Now that is, it will be 2 minus 3. So it will be minus 1 equal to, this will be how much? Here will be same, minus is there. Here will be minus 20. Minus and minus cancelled. Y is equal to 20. Now put the value of x. Now put the value of y to find the value of x. So putting in which equation will be better? I think equation 2 will be better. So putting the value of y in equation 2. putting the value of y in equation 2, that is x minus 2 into 20 equal to 10. So that is x minus 4, that is 40 equal to 10. So take it that side, x equal to 10 plus 40. So that is x equal to 50. X equal to 50. So therefore the age of Nori B, okay, so there is no space, I am going to complete it here. The age of Nori is how many years? Nori is, we have considered x, that is 50 years. Age of Shanu, that is age 50, that is y, that is 20 years.